Hey everybody, welcome to Arbitrage Family. I'm Gordon, and I've been couponing for the last couple of years, and for the past few weeks, Kills Coupons and I have been teaming up together to bring you guys the best Dollar General deals that we can find. This weekend is no exception. Both deals revolve around 2020's most sought after item, toilet paper. Now the first one assumes you still have some of the high value coupons so that you're able to bring the out of pocket costs really low. And that's this deal here. And what's really cool about it, like I said, is that it brings down the cost of it by quite a bit. The second deal, this one here, assumes you only have one of the high value coupons left on your accounts from the previous weeks. Now, what's really nice about it is it does have other household items to it. The out-of-pocket cost for both of these deals is kind of high, but toilet paper is not that cheap. But if you stay tuned to the end, I'll show you how you can make some of your money back using some other apps.
All right, the first deal that we're going to do that Keel's Coupon gave us is a deal that is going to have a $3 instant savings on it. And so remember, when it has the instant savings, we have to go beyond $25 by that much. And so when we buy the Scots and the Continental, we had to get above 25 by $3 because of the $3 instant savings, all right? So let's scan the items and see how we get there. All right, first thing, Scott paper towels. 6 for 10. So I'm going to turn it around here and you always scan the barcode. $5.50. Now this one does not have a coupon, but it does have that offer on it for the 3 off of $15 when you instant savings. The next thing you need is some Scott toilet paper, and it's actually on the front. Scan it. Regularly $5, the $1 off coupon. So that's the Scott you need, okay? The next one is Continental toilet paper. So we're gonna scan the barcode. Comes up, regularly for $5, and then the $1 off coupon, and then the instant savings, remember? In her advertisement, she has this Centrum Energy, but I think that the regular Centrum will work as well if you're looking to just get regular Centrum. So let's check. Yeah, see, so it's $5 and then the $4 coupon came off. Make sure you are not clipping this $2 coupon, because if you do, the $2 coupon will come off before the $4 coupon. Do not clip this one, okay? All right, the next thing that we need is Mucinex, and let's scan it to make sure. $5.50, $5 coupon come off, so it's only 50 cents. Now, if you're not wanting this particular Mucinex, scan the other ones that are up there. Your store might not have this one, but scan it and see if it comes off, okay? The toothpaste that you'll want is down here at the bottom. Let's scan it to make sure it works here. There it goes. All right, it's $2. $2 coupon comes off on it, so it all looks right. All right, the other deal that Keel's Coupons gave us is a little bit different. It has a little bit higher out of pocket, but it assumes that you've already used a lot of the coupons that have a lot of % off. The only other one that it has like that is the Mucinex. And I'm not going to scan the Mucinex, the Scott, or the Continental for this deal because if you watched the video, you've already seen that. So let's go scan the Finish, the Swiffer, and the Kleenex. So the first thing that you'll need, other than the other items, is some Finish tabs, and they are the 12 ones. Now my store has them marked for $3.75 up there, and let's check to see what it is here. And in app it actually says they're $3.25. You should pay whatever the app says, not what the sign says. All right, so when you go and check it out. All right, so it's $2.75 with the 50-cent coupon. All right, who doesn't need to dust their house a little bit, right? And so $4.50, let's scan it. Gotta find the barcode. Scan it. 50-cent coupon, clip it, and it becomes $4. And the last item you'll need are 4 boxes of these Kleenexes. So let's give them a scan. And so then you have a coupon that says buy 4, get $1 off, and they're $1.50 a piece.
Now that you've seen exactly what to get at the Dollar General tomorrow, I'm going to tell you about them apps now. One of them is the coupons.com app. What's really cool about it is that you can just scan your receipt and then scan the barcode of the item, and it will give you your money back. And right now, there are 2 coupons on there, one of them for $1 off Continental toilet paper and one of them for $1 off Scott's toilet paper. Now, the thing is they count as manufacturer's coupons. So with the deals that we have, you would only be able to use one of them, not both. The other app is Fetch. What's really nice about Fetch is it doesn't count as manufacturer's coupons. And so you can scan it and it gives you your points regardless if you use coupons or not. Now, my Fetch has a Kleenex rebate on it, a Continental rebate, as well as a Scott rebate. So I would be able to get back some of my money just by buying those products. Now, if you're new to both of those apps, I'll put my referral code in the description and you can use those to sign up. Now, the thing is that not all of the apps will have the exact same rebates on them. So you'll want to make sure that you look before you go buy something so that you know exactly what you're looking to spend. You made it to the end of the video. Awesome. If you haven't already, you should subscribe. Also, hit the like button because that helps the video reach other people just like you. Also, visit Kills Coupons on Instagram. She does an excellent job posting things all about Dollar General. I'll see you on the next video.